Just imagine 3,000 years ago on this plaza, people would be gathered listening to their priests, telling them the message that was brought down from the gods. This site was ruled by priests as opposed to kings. So that's what makes this little site unique. When guests come here to Altonha, the first plaza that they step on, it was a ceremonial place. People go touching the stones, feeling a sense of being one with the Mayas. Some people come because it's of a spiritual thing to them. It is a very powerful feeling being here. Altonha, a small site, but a lot of riches.
Zipline is very, very cool. If you've never done it before, you're going to get to enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. Anybody can do it, from very young to 65, 70 have done it. The comment we hear most is, it's awesome, it's great. In addition to the ziplining, do the cave tubing as well.
Cave tubing means both a river tubing and a cave exploration at the very same time. Getting to the cave is one of the fun parts as well. We have wonderful things in this small little country, and that is what I love to boast about. People come here, they experience the cave system, the water, and I just want them to remember that Belize, they would never forget.